I know what you're thinking. How did this video get no title at all? So it's a completely easy process, and I'm gonna walk you down entire step by step, so you can do it whether on Instagram, whether Twitter, whether YouTube, and I'm gonna show you how I myself did it. So let's just jump right into it. So let's start from step 1. So whatever we type on like social media or anything, like whether the English alphabet or anything, it is a set of characters. Now many of you must be thinking that I just press space and then just uploaded this video. Well, that's not the case, because YouTube does not accept space or as a title. So you have to get around the system, and you have to use your imagination to do it. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So whatever we type, like, it is a set of characters, and together they make up a word or something like that. But in English we do not have a character or a letter which is like invisible, but that doesn't exclude other languages. You know, there's something called a Hangul Filler, which is in the Korean writing system, which basically helps to fill something or like that, which is completely invisible. So now I'm gonna show you how I did this. So as you can see, what you have to do is first you have to go and type in Hangul Filler. Now what Hangul Filler is, it's basically like an type of an invisible character. As you can see, there's nothing right here, but it's just actually a character, and it's used in the Korean writing system. You can read more about it if you're fascinated, and like you can just read about it. I'm gonna give the link of this down below. It's a Unicode character. Now what you have to do is first you have to go to this website. I'm gonna leave the link of this website down below, and then you have to select this character, and then you have to copy this. Right, I'm gonna copy this, and then what you have to do, I have like just a random video here, and then you can basically paste this, and as you can see, like, it's being filled. As you can see, I can select this blank space, but I cannot select space. Like, if I just type in space, I'm typing in space here, it's showing like your video needs a title. But when I type in the Korean Hangul Filler, like this filler, like, it's accepting that, and we can, like, it does not require like a title. Now, like, you can use the same process whether in Instagram, like usernames, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere you can use this trick. It works everywhere. So you can just do this, and I'm gonna show how, like, and then you can just continue, and then yeah. And as you can see, this video is uploaded. It's gonna be uploaded. It's just taking a second. And here, as you can see, like, this video is now uploaded here. Like, this video has like literally no title. You can just see this video as well as this video. So that's how I did this, and